Hello everyone, we are students of Standard 5. Today we are going to learn about globe and maps. What is globe? A globe is a 3D representation of the earth. You can see a countries, oceans and continents in a proper shapes and size. Look, this is our country India and this is world largest ocean, Pacific Ocean. What is a map? A map is a flat drawing of the earth's surface. It's like taking a photo of the earth's surface and laying it flat. Maps are useful because you can carry them anywhere and see specific details.
Types of map. There are many types of map. The first one is physical map. It shows natural features like mountains, rivers and forest. Next is a political map. It shows countries, states and cities with their boundaries. This map shows India's neighboring countries like China, Pakistan and Nepal.
This is a compass rose. We show a direction north, south, east, west. This is a legend key. It explains the symbol of map like a river, mountain and roads. Fun fact about some countries and the weather. Let's talk about some countries. Did you know Greenland is covered with ice? It's super cold there.
Saudi Arabia is opposites. It's a hot desert country with little rainfall.
And Brazil has the Amazon rainforest. It's hot and humid with lots of rain.
Our country India has a variety of weather from snowy mountains in the north to hot deserts in the west and tropical beaches in the south.
Now you know about a globe and maps. A globe is a 3D representation of the earth. Map also teaches direction, distance and weather patterns.
Thank you.